open faster. Okay, here. So we have this packaging. It's magnetic actually, so it opens pretty well. Okay, let's open it. First impressions. It does T-perm pretty nice. J-perm is okay. H-perm not so good. Let's see. Okay, so here's what comes in the box. This box. Is there anything in here? Let's see. Okay. No, there's nothing inside. Let's see what's inside here. This has this card. I have the V2's card. I don't know where it went. Undo adjustment tool. This wipe. This is the controls thingy. And then we have this bag. And this is CFOP. Same thing as last year. It's just they changed the cover. Yeah, it's the same thing. No, different. This one is a long line that opens up. Another one was a pamphlet. Okay, so let's see. Let's open up this cube. Okay, let's move everything out of the way. Let's open it up. Okay, so 6 clicks back is the best. Let's do that. 5 clicks forward, 6 clicks back. 1 second, I'm gonna... Okay, so I put it back on those settings. Now it turns weirdly. Doesn't do in corner cut well.